Hey guys, how you going? So I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration on the coffee bags that we've been using for the last couple of months. They're made by Grounded Drops. We're really happy with them. Just wanted to give you a quick demonstration to show you how to use them. So at the moment we've got the decaf blend. So we've tried to cut back on our caffeine intake and we've decided to go with some decaf, but there is 4 different blends that they make, so there's something for everyone. So you just tear the top off. It's got little tabs here that you pop over your coffee cup, and then you just pour in a bit of water to wet the coffee down, and let that bloom for around 30 seconds. So that's just extracting all the flavour out of it. All right, once you've done that, you can top it up. So, so they're made from grounded coffee beans. So you still get the espresso taste without all the milk though. So that's what we really love about them. So you just wait for it to fully extract before you do another pour. All right, so that's 2 pours, and that's around where we like the strength of our coffee. So you just remove the bag and add your milk if you like milk. And you're all done. Cheers.